One day, Mark received a surprise visit from his parents, whom he hadn't seen in years. Initially, they had struggled to understand and accept Mark's crossdressing, but they had been following his journey from afar. Mark was nervous as he opened the door, but his parents enveloped him in a warm embrace, expressing their pride and admiration for the person he had become. Mark's story continued to make headlines, and he received invitations to speak at conferences, schools, and events around the world. He used his platform to advocate for LGBTQ+ rights, challenging societal norms and promoting inclusivity. His impact was felt far and wide, and he continued to inspire countless individuals to embrace their authentic selves. Looking back, Mark couldn't believe how much his life had changed since he had shared his secret with Lisa. He had gone from hiding his crossdressing desires to becoming a confident and influential figure in the fashion and LGBTQ+ communities. He was grateful for Lisa's unwavering support and love, as well as the love and acceptance he had received from his friends, family, and supporters. As he sat in front of his vanity, putting on his favorite lipstick and admiring his reflection in the mirror, Mark felt a sense of fulfillment and happiness that he had never experienced before. He had found his true self and had learned that love, acceptance, and self-expression were powerful forces that could transform lives. And so, Mark's journey as a princess continued with a newfound purpose and passion. He lived his life authentically, inspiring others with his story and empowering those who struggled with their own identities to embrace their true selves. He continued to break gender norms and challenge societal expectations, making waves in the fashion industry and advocating for inclusivity and acceptance for all. One day, Mark received a special invitation to speak at an LGBTQ+ youth organization. He eagerly accepted, knowing that he could make a positive impact on the lives of young people who may be struggling with their own identities. As he stood on the stage, looking out at the diverse audience of young faces, Mark felt a surge of emotion. He shared his story, from his early struggles with crossdressing to his journey of self-acceptance and empowerment. The response from the audience was overwhelming. Many young people approached Mark after his speech, expressing their gratitude for his words and sharing their own stories of feeling different or struggling with their identities. Mark listened with empathy and offered words of encouragement and support, knowing firsthand the power of acceptance and understanding. One young person, in particular, caught Mark's attention. Their name was Alex, a shy teenager who identified as gender fluid but had not yet found the courage to fully express their true self. Mark took Alex under his wing, becoming a mentor and friend. He shared his experiences and offered guidance and support as Alex navigated their own journey of self-discovery. Months passed, and Alex blossomed under Mark's mentorship. They gained confidence, began experimenting with fashion and expressing themselves authentically. Mark watched with pride as Alex embraced their true self and found their own unique style. Seeing the transformation in Alex filled Mark with a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. One day, Mark received an invitation to a fashion gala in a neighboring city. He was thrilled to attend, but as he looked through his wardrobe, he realized he didn't have the perfect outfit for the occasion. He turned to Alex for help, knowing that they had a keen eye for fashion and a talent for styling. Together, Mark and Alex spent hours picking out the perfect ensemble. They chose a stunning gown with a flowing skirt and intricate beadwork, paired with a pair of sleek heels and delicate jewelry. As Mark tried on the outfit, he felt a surge of confidence and excitement. He was ready to make a statement at the gala. The night of the gala arrived, and Mark walked the red carpet with pride, his gown swirling around him. He was met with awe and admiration from the crowd, who were captivated by his stunning appearance. Mark felt like a true princess, exuding confidence and grace as he mingled with the fashion elite. As the night went on, Mark was approached by several influential figures in the fashion industry, expressing their admiration for his style and his advocacy for inclusivity. Mark was honored and humbled, realizing that his journey had made a significant impact on the fashion industry and beyond. During the gala, Mark was asked to give a speech, and he took the stage with confidence. He shared his story once again, but this time, he also brought Alex with him. Alex stood beside Mark, looking radiant in their own carefully curated outfit. Mark introduced Alex to the audience, praising their courage and self-expression. Alex took the microphone and shared their own journey, inspired by Mark's example. They spoke about the challenges they had faced and the support they had received from Mark and others in the LGBTQ+ community. Their words were met with a standing ovation, and tears filled Mark's eyes as he realized the impact he had made on Alex's life. As the night came to an end, Mark reflected on his journey. He had come a long way from the man who secretly cross-dressed in his basement. He had found acceptance, love, and purpose by embracing his true self and advocating for inclusivity and self-expression. He was proud of his journey and grateful for the support he had received along the way. Weeks passed, and Mark continued to make waves in the fashion industry, using his platform to promote diversity, inclusivity, and self-expression. He received invitations to speak at more events, and his message resonated with people all over the world. His social media following grew, and he received messages from individuals who were inspired by his story and found the courage to embrace their own true selves. Watch the next episode to find out what happened next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please leave a comment about what you think about the story. Your comment motivates us to make better content.